cartoons and anime all-stars ready to learn! Phonics letter sounds!
Whoopsies! Uh-oh! Huh, I better hurry. It's almost time.
Hi, Candy. Running a little late today?
Sorry. I got distracted by all the pretty clouds.
Good thing we made it just in time.
Hi guys, come on! Everybody's already waiting in the auditorium.
I don't see anybody here.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Alphabet song, that's right, we're playing it. And the alphabet, soon you'll be saying it. Say the letters along with me. You can learn your ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now that you've heard this alphabet song, let's go a little faster while you sing along. Sing along with the happening beat while you're learning your ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
All right! I'm glad you loved our new alphabet song, weren't you? Take a look at these big letters. They are called capital or uppercase letters. We use those at the beginning of some important words, as well as at the beginning of sentences.
And these smaller letters are called lowercase letters. You'll be seeing them most often when you're reading words like that.
Wow, Nate! I know the alphabet now! But how does knowing the alphabet help me learn to read?
I'll be telling you, Candy! But first, we'll be learning the sounds that the letters can make. Let's go through some of them right now. Would you like us to?
A, apple. Apple. B, ball. Ball. C, cat. D, dinosaur. Dinosaur. E, elephant. Elephant. F, fish. G, goat. Goat. H, horse. I, igloo. Igloo. J, jump rope. Jump rope. K, kangaroo. L, lips. Lips. M, moon.
Ostrich. P. Pizza. Pizza. Q. Queen. Queen. R. Rainbow. Rainbow. S. Snake. Snake. T. Tiger. Tiger. U. Umbrella. Umbrella. V. Violin. Violin. W. Wolf. Wolf. X.
At the end of the word,
Box. Box. Y. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z. Zebra. Zebra.
Great work, everybody.
So I noticed that you made some of the sounds really fast. The next time you practice, see if you can say even more of the sounds before Nate does.
Good idea to practice, Ichika. Hey, I heard that you and the Akiba reporter have another fun way to practice letter sounds.
Of course we do. Come this way, you guys.
All right, I'm so excited! Learning these letter sounds was so fun! And now get ready for Name That Letter! Greetings and welcome, everybody! Ready to play this game? Okay, here's how it goes. Ichika will be reading a sentence. Listen to the sounds of the words and then see if you can name the letter that makes the sound you hear most before the timer runs out. Okay, Ichika, we're going to read the first sentence.
You bet. Are you ready? Anne and Amity added an abundance of apples.
Have you figured out this answer yet? The sound you heard most? Which is made by the letter A. The answer is A. How about some more?
Jake the dog juggles jars of jelly jam. The answer is J. Carmen can cuddle her cute cat. The answer is C. Zazu zooms and zips through the zoo. The answer is Z. Neptune and Nepgear never notice new neon necklaces. The answer is N. Donald and Daisy dance the day away. The answer is D. Isabella investigates inside the igloo. The answer is I. Bluey and Bingo bounce on the bed before bedtime. answer is B.
We'll return after our word from our sponsors. Hello. Okay, that was your word. And now, back to name that letter. Ichika, give us the next sentence, please.
Kagami keeps her keys in the kitchen. The answer is K. Ellie enjoys extra eggs every morning. The answer is E. Many monkeys make Megumi mad. The answer is M. Thomas and Timon are together as a team. The answer is T. Freddie Flamingo found 5 funny frogs. The answer is F. Haley feeds her hungry hamster with ham. The answer is H. Pepe Le Pew paints a picture of a purple plum. The answer is P. Penelope is very good at her violet violin. The answer is V. SpongeBob saves 6 small seals at the seaside. The answer is S. Yui brought yellow yummy yogurt and yams. The answer is Y. Amnam often eats olives. The answer is O. Gumball gobbles up good green grapes. The answer is G. Rainbow Dash reaches the red ribbon. The answer is R. Uncle Dan's unusual umbrella unexpectedly opens up. The answer is U. Lincoln Loud licks his lime lollipop. The Woody Woodpecker walks and wanders in the woods? The answer is W.
And now, get ready for a bonus round. These letters are a bit harder to guess, but I know you can do it. Ichika, bonus sentences, please.
Quack quickly quivers quietly. The answer is Q. Q is usually followed by the letter U. Together, Q and U make the sound qua, qua, qua. Fix-It Felix Jr. can fix box 6. The answer is X. X usually comes in the middle or the end of a word. But if X starts a word, it sounds like the letter Z. You will hear that in the word xylophone.
All right, that was fun, wasn't it? Remember, you can play again as many times as you like. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for playing. Name that letter. Until then, we all hope to see you soon.
We have learned that H makes the sound as in horse. A makes the sound as in apple. And lastly, D makes the sound as in dinosaur. If we put these three all together, we say had.
Oh, right. Now I get it. Can we practice a few more of these, pretty please?
Well, of course we can. I'm going to break the words down into their letter sounds, and then you blend the sounds to read the word. Are you ready?
Yeah, I bet this would be fun. Cap. Tap. Hey, wait a second. This word has the same letters as the previous word, right?
Of course it does! But the letters and sounds are in a different organization. Listen carefully.
Plat. You're right. That was different.
So if we change only the beginning letter sound, we can change this word into
Not. Let's do some more, shall we? Dig. Fig. Those two were so easy. It's because the first letter can change itself.
Of course, pieman! They are called rhyming words for sure. Only beginning letter sounds can change. Do you know what other words you can think of that rhyme with dig and fig? This one's a farm animal that is mostly pink.
Oh, this should be easy. Pig.
Yep. What letter makes the sound you hear at the beginning of the word pig?
The letter P, of course.
Awesome! Let's sound out a few more.
Hum. Mud. Jet. Pet.
You did it! As you get some more practice sounding out, You can read them a little faster without having to sound out each letter.
Let's try to read some more of these simple reading words. A. An. As. At. B. Bus. Bed. Big. C. Cup. Cut. Can. D. Dip. Dug. Dad. E. Egg. Ed. F. Fit. Fed. Fun. G. Gas. Get. Got. H. Had. Hot. Him. I. It. If. In. J. Jog. Job. Jug. K. Kiss. Kid. Kit. L. Lip. Lot. Log. M. Met. Mop. Man. N. Nap. Nut. Not. Yeah, real funny. You guys can continue.
R. Run. Red. Ran. S. Sun. Sit. Sad. T. 10. Top. Tag. U. Us. Up. V. Vet. Van. That. W. Wet. Win. Wag. X. Mix. Box. Fix. Y. Yet. Yes. Yam. Z. Zip. Zig. Zag.
Congratulations, everybody! You're reading now! If you have any trouble reading on your own, watch this program again and again. The more you can practice, the better you can get. And soon, you will become a super smart reader. Until then, we hope to see you soon.